Hello, this is my second series on Leaflet. I have already posted it and I am flowing from the previous one. This is the thing which we have already looked. If you really don't look about the previous things, then I will give you an I button and you can go there and watch the first video. Okay, I will render this. Okay, but let's see what has happened in the first video. In first we do not have done much sorting. We have just add one navbar and we just look for to this customize some of these things, and if we click on map, then it will move somehow to our location. I think okay, I'm using desktop, so it's showing to the Kathmandu, but even I'm moving. Okay, first of all I will make it when I have clicked something somewhere else and in this position, then it will sufficiently move to this location directly. Okay, it will not be efficient to just click something here and go searching for where is the marker has been loaded or something like for that. Okay, so for that we will move to our in locate function and we will add some of the property here. Okay, one of the property, sorry, some of the option, and I have already told you how to add option. To add option you can just add curly braces there, and the option is set view. Okay, you can set view equals to true. When you set the set view equals to true, then okay, let's see what will happen here. When I have clicked something on map, anywhere on the map, it will move into my current location. Okay, I am here on something, so just say okay, I will click on Pakistan and it will move to my location Kathmandu. Okay, another okay, these things, yeah, has been good. Okay, another thing I want to show you that when I have click on this map, okay, there is nothing that yeah, thing. Okay, I will want to pop up my location here. For to locate my location, I will go to my location found function, and here I will pop up okay, just alert my location. Okay, for alert I will type alert, and for to alert, here is a function called to get the location of marker. We are going to locate the location of our marker, so we'll get the marker dot get capital lat long. After this, you will really find how to okay, it's a my marker location and it zoom into my position. When I click on the marker, it's a my current location. To know more about it, you can just go to the leaflet.js tutorials. Sorry, not tutorials. You can go to the docs. And for to know about the other marker option, you can just click on marker here, and here is the thing. Okay, I have not teach you about how to add marker on the map. So I will teach you how to add marker. Okay, for this you have to create a one variable called, okay, I am making a variable called marker, and you have to insert the l dot marker, and I would have to give the location here in the marker is shown in the example here 50.5 and 30.5. Okay, for this, okay, how to know my location, and then just always going to typing and searching the location will not be best appropriate. Okay, for if you want to know the location of this point, then just zoom into that point. Okay, okay, I am just moving into that point and go to the console, and as you know that my map is on my map, and in my map here is the function called get control, sorry, not get center, which give the center value of this location of this place. uh, okay, this is the lat value and longitude value of that location, so you can just go there and type that lat long value. Okay, so my get center giving, okay, sorry, I am at incorrect position. I'll again, I will copy all these things that long. I'm on live server, so it will reload when I save here. It will save automatically. So sorry for that. Okay, okay. This is the syntax. to add the marker on the map. So I have already told you, you have to use it to my map is my variable, so I will use it to my map. I think yes, this point has been added. Okay, you can give add some other option. Here is the icon. You can change your icon. Here is some title text for the browser tooltip. Okay, let's see what will happen here. Just add. You can add a property, and I have already show you how to add the property. Just click here, say separated by comma, and enter the curly braces, and you can give the title it's the key value there, something like that. Okay, title just you can look up here, it takes the string value. Okay, it takes the string value, and default there is no any title. Just you can give okay, I have created just for fun, I have created marker. Okay, just okay, and just for fun. Okay, let's see what will happen here when I have zoom in over these things. What happened? Okay, I have created the marker. When I place the mouse here, it will pop up, or it will just over. I have created marker. You can give the information. For this, you do not have to click on a marker or something like that, but you can just over here, and it will say the information about that marker. Uh, and there are other so many options. You can just try it by yourself. I can make that marker to draggable. For to make that marker to draggable, you can add another option. Just d okay, d r a g g a b l e draggable equals to true. By default, it will false, so you cannot drag that marker. Okay, okay, here is the marker, and you can drag the marker here and there where you want to. And when you keep your mouse here, it will. I have created the marker thing. There are so many other options. Just you can start. Okay, for to get the lat long of that marker, just you can use the get lat long method. Okay, I will use for this when I have to click on marker. Okay, here marker dot on, just it is even handle. When I have just click, okay, when I have just click on the marker, it will run a function. If you and function the key value pairs, sorry, for to render its value, then you can allot or make anything you want. You can send it data to the server also when you are needed, but we are not dealing with server side here, so just I'm just making simple. Or your marker dot get lat long. Okay, let's see it's just working or not. uh, I have refreshed it. Where is marker? Yes, there is a marker, and when I have click on that, it's my location 28.15302. Okay, just see 28.15302 as we have already given to it. Okay, when I can drag it, and I can get that location, arbitrary location, because I have dragged the marker to the something place, somewhere place. Okay, when I move it to the Pokhara, and it will give my the location of that marker. You can set the lat long of that marker also. There are so many other options. You can go on and check it out for this. If you really interested in getting some of these map view content or something like that, just map my map, and just get the some zoom level. Okay, what is the what I at what scale I am here on my map. Okay, just you can use my map dot get zoom scale, and it will give you your zoom scale value. So it is not a function, it says what is happening. For this you can go to the map, and I think it's an option. Okay, you can go to the documentation and read how these things, if you really forgot or something, if you have get a little bit confused on those things, okay, here is the method. And set view we have already discussed about, yeah. And okay, for to get the zoom value, here is a function called get zoom. Sorry, I have written something, get zoom scale, not get zoom, and it will give my zoom level. If you want to make your map to zoom level up to this, and you really want to make insert in your web map what is my zoom level, then okay, it's the zoom level of 17. Then you can go to here and set it to the zoom level of 17. Okay, because if you are really interested in seeing these kinds of data, this detailed data, and if you really want to get this location, yeah, or something, first load, when you have loaded the map it will zoom into there, and if you want to load that location, then you can get my map dot get center. The lat long of this coordinate center point, and you can use your for you. For this you really do not need to rely on another software to get the latitude longitude. Okay, yeah, when I refresh it, it will zoom into the zoom level 17, and these things will appear here. When I have clicked something here, and it will give my current location where I am. I think this is the cool feature that you have. Like, there are so many other options called get bounds or something. When you have used the get bound method, just my map dot get bound, will give you the location from where, from the easting northing. Okay, from northeast you have the location northeast. Okay, northeast means this location, lat long. Southeast, this location, southwest lat long, it given to you. And you can read these things what they are going to tell you. And here are some function to project your map from one place to the sorry, from one projection coordinate system to the another coordinate system. And I think I have already told you about this set view method. This is also here. You can just if you set true, then it will go on looking all those location whenever you change, when you have clicked for the first time, and it will go to the that place. And if you move this device, it will zoom into that, this marker will move according to you. You can see two marker has been here, because I'm using laptop, and there is no more accurate when even I have not moving from there. So you can see from your side the two marker has been shown up. And you can watch to the false, false to stop the locate function. Okay, it's your work to do. And there are so many other options. Okay, we'll move to the marker. I have already discussed you how to add marker and how to give title or something. Okay, you can, there are so many other options you can also use. You can use your own custom icon also. Okay, for to how to add custom icon, here is the full documentation of l.icon. You can just copy paste this, and let's see what will happen in my sorry, why is not copying it. Okay, let's say according to it. Okay, we will add here our map. Okay, this is how you can first, when you have to you start at the first, you should have to look all those documentation and do according to that. And for to insert icon, just you can use, it is in the properties, so you can go to this and add another, sorry, yes, it is an option. So for this you have to go inside the then you can give your icon a variable name is my icon. Okay, we do not have that's my icon dot png, so we'll search for icon images. Okay, just images. You can give the icon that you want. Okay, I will try to find out. Okay, I will use Google Map icon here, so you can just link copy link address to this image, or you can just save this image in a working folder. Okay, I will save this image, and okay, here is the Google Maps. Okay, my folder is here is leaflet, so Google Map.jpg. You can just give that to I think it will work. Okay, let's see. My icon is not defined. Where my icon is not is defined. Okay, it's capital I. Let's see, it will work. Okay, here is something. Okay, it's you have to send some of these. This you can customize it. We do. I think we do not real this shadow URL, so we will remove from it here. Okay, I think this will fit okay for now. Yeah, you see this map, and this we have added the custom icon. You can change the icon size, icon anchor size, pop-up anchor, anything according to what you really need. Okay, here are other options. Just keyboard, when the marker can be tapped to the keyboard and click by pressing enter or something. Okay, here is the alert, the text for the alert attribute when icon image useful accessibility. If you do not have an icon image, you use it. You can change the opacity of the marker. Okay, just change. I will change some of the opacity of my marker to show you. opacity opacity to, okay, by default that is 1. We will use 0.5. Okay, let's see, is there something changed or not. Okay, yes, you can see that icon opacity has been changes. Okay, yeah, you can see you can change the size of these. You can do by it by yourself by changing the size something. Okay, here are some. You can set the trial option false. By default it is false. I have make it on. And here are so many other events that you can use to it. Okay, you can just get lat long, and you can set the lat long, get icon, or you can read all those documentation. Okay, for to pop up on marker, you can just use pop up content. Okay, here is uh, how it will works. Okay, this is the task for you to look all of these things about the marker, and I will help you if you don't know in the next video. Okay, this much for this today. I think this will be fine for today, and we will work other things and next day. Keep watching my video, keep subscribing. Thank you.